and welcome. I'm Audrey, the Customer Success Senior Manager at Acres, a mapping and data platform built for land people. Acres is packed with features for valuation, diligence, mapping, prospecting, and competitive intelligence. In this mini webinar, we're going to focus on custom maps and show you just how fast and easy it is to create and share a map with Acres. Most of this recording will focus on the demo, but first we're going to spend just a few minutes going over the custom mapping and sharing features available with Acres. I do want to call out that you can test drive many of these features with a free account, which gives you 2 free maps. Acres custom mapping tools include everything you need to map a property, from defining custom boundaries to adding points of interest and photos. We'll go over how you can use each of these features in more detail to show how you can visualize any property with these easy-to-use tools. Maps are meant to be shared, and we give you several options to share your custom maps with anyone, even if they don't have an Acres account. You can embed a fast-loading map onto any website, export your map to a PDF, or share via a direct link. I'll show you each of these options in the demo and also discuss a few ways you can use these sharing capabilities as a land professional. You can also log into your Acres account from the mobile app to create or access saved custom maps on the go. The app, of course, comes with a couple of unique features, like the ability to take and add photos from your phone and the ability to download your custom map for when you're off-grid. If you want to get access at the end of this webinar, you can find details below the video or visit acres.com/pricing. If you're a land professional, definitely check out Pro and Enterprise. Pro is best suited for individual land professionals and gives you the flexibility to choose between monthly or annual plans. You'll get access to unlimited custom maps, the largest land sales database available, landowner search, and more. Enterprise is built for teams and comes with additional features like a secure team portfolio and mailing lists, just to name a few. Now let's dive into the features and tools you have access to with Acres Customized Maps. A quick disclaimer, this map is purely for demo purposes and does not reflect a real scenario. We're going to take a look at a residential development project example. In this saved map, I have selected all of the parcels that will form the different phases of the project. First, we'll navigate to the Customize workspace, and we'll start with changing our boundary colors to reflect each phase of the project. Let's say I want to use blue to reflect phase 1. I'll start by clicking the Clone Boundary button to create an editable version of our boundary. I'll zoom in here and make the desired selections that I want to edit. And I'll click Clone Selected. You can also utilize the Clone All option. An editing dialog box will open where I can then add notes, edit colors, or upload images. We'll take a look at some of these other options shortly, and we're first going to take a look at the Format tab in order to edit our colors. So I'll select a blue border color, a blue fill color, and I can do this for each parcel that I've cloned. We'll then do the same for phase 2 and use yellow. Again, I'll click Clone Boundary, make my boundary selections, and begin editing my colors. We could continue this process until we have all of our phases mapped out with their different colors. We could use orange to reflect this property, and we could use green to reflect this lower section if it's a future golf course development. Next, I want to make these phases very clear on any reports or shared interactive map links I want to generate by using a note. You simply click the point on the map where you'd like to apply the note, and you'll see a similar dialog box open where you can edit the text displayed on the map. And by clicking Format, adjust font, text size, color, and more. Let's say I want to make this slightly larger on our map. Now we want to be able to highlight important points of interest relevant to this project. For example, we can reflect our construction site office area by dropping a building point and adding notes to the description. We'll give this a title. And in the description, you can add notes for what the different buildings are, how many temporary buildings are in this area, and additionally, we can upload photos to our points of interest. You can do this for any customization you create in Acres by simply dragging and dropping or uploading the photo. Finally, I want to be able to show future roadways through the development. We have several line options you can utilize, and here I'm going to select Road. Select your starting point on the map and click each point as you draw your road to account for curves and turns. You can go back anytime to adjust these points. Simply click on the object and you'll see we have editable points displayed. You can click, drag, and edit to position exactly where you need this to be. Let's now take a look at a completed version of this map. At this stage, you might want to create a report to share with colleagues, stakeholders, or for marketing purposes. Acres reports include customizations pages with any notes you've added to your customized map, image thumbnails, and an aerial image of your project. Simply navigate to Create Report, and here you have several options for generating these pages. Additionally, you can create a shareable link to share with anyone, even if they're not an Acres user. Navigate to the Share Embed button, and this first option will allow you to create a shareable link. Let's take a look at an example of this. Viewers can take a look at expanded images, notes, and even view basic insights on the land. And that is how you build a customized map in Acres. Just a reminder that you can find more information on how to get access to these tools and features below this video. Thanks for watching.